Hello, this is Solomon Davis, Right Side Trader. Today is November 18th, 2023, and this is my weekly market review where I'm reviewing the NASDAQ 100 on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is all for educational purposes only, no trade recommendation, because as we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading. So please check with your financial advisor, please check with your significant other, and make sure trading is something that is suitable for you. All right, let me just minimize this and let's take a look at the NASDAQ, my bull again. You know, it dipped below my 9, and it's back above there, and it will make yearly highs, and it highly probable will make all-time highs by the end of the year and all. Of course, I got out of my trade too early. You know, I look to take my profits and I'm done. But then I start day trading other things around, make money, lose money. You know, but I'm okay. That's enough now. That's all I have to say about trading. But let's take a quick look at these quarterly charts and these charts here and see what we see. And let me just get right in here. Again, on the quarterly chart, we are green like we expect. We are close to a yearly high already. These 4 candles is the year on the quarterly chart. We're just about there for the yearly high on the NASDAQ. Like I said, I've always been saying the NASDAQ is the one that I definitely believe can actually break all-time high by the end of the year. There are other indexes, I'm just not sure. They're not as strong as the NASDAQ can move and all. And that's the thing. Trading the NASDAQ, most people, the NASDAQ is crazy. I can't trade the NASDAQ. The problem with people trading the NASDAQ, they all trade on too small of a time frame. Bottom line, you know, for me, in my opinion, that's their problem. Because I work with a few people, and they always want to come to you talking about trading on a minute chart. I say you can't. Minute chart gives you too many singles, too many triggers. Ever how you're looking at it, it's just too much. You know, that's in my opinion, that's the problem with them, and they want to stick there. So again, it gets weird. That's why I can't work with a lot of people. I can't trade with a lot of people because they want to. I don't know. They're spies. You know, they want to be. They're all over. They want to trade something like that. I don't want to trade anything on a minute chart. You know, that's the whole thing. Because again, I need the market to tell me what it's going to do. All I can do is follow the money, and the money is not really about a 1 minute trade. You know, although you have seen me trade, I've been in and out of trade in 1 minute or less. But my setup is on a larger time frame. I can see the direction of the market, and I can easily. It makes it easy to know when to go long or when to go short. You know, if you're looking at the higher time frames, and that's why I do this whole review on these higher time frames. There's no need to go any lower than this right here doing a review. You need to know what the big picture is when you're trading. You're short-term trading or long-term trading. That's why I said probably a few weeks back, traders might have remained in their trade based on some of their indicators, because their indicators, believe me, we are using more indicators than what I'm actually showing you here. Their indicators are telling them it's okay to remain in your trade. Nothing at certain times when this market was doing all this crazy stuff was telling you to get out of your trades. If you're looking at the larger time frame, if you say you are an investor, you know, what are you doing looking at a day chart anyway? You know, went off on a tangent. I'm about to cut this video short, and that's going to be it. Talk to you